Do you want to see how I turn this into this magical lighted summer patio? Then please don't leave and stay tuned, and I'll show you in just a bit. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Belinda. In this channel, you will find easy and affordable do-it-yourself projects. I hope that y'all are ready to just dive into these summer nights. I know that I am, which is why I decided to turn my boring patio into a magical, tranquil space. But before we get started, I'm just going to ask if you can please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also if you'll click that bell icon, right there in the corner, so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. For this project, I used two 8x2x2s, 3 sets of 20 string lights. One set measures 20 foot in length. And I purchased these at Walmart, and they are from the Better Homes and Garden. 1 pack of cup hooks. 2 plastic planters. And I also used 4 bags of this 10-pound mortar mix. Cement would have been a better option, but the bags were 90 pounds, so they were too heavy for me to lift. Okay, so I'm going to start by showing you here where the mortar has already hardened. Now basically all I did was just pour the mix in there, added water, and then I just mixed it up, and then I stuck the pole in the center, and then I let it dry for 24 hours. I apologize for not showing you this step. I wasn't gonna film this home project, but then when I got started, I thought it would be a good idea to share it with y'all. This is a project that I took on upon myself. I didn't want any help from my husband because I wanted to do this. And that's the reason I chose the materials that I chose. Okay, so here I am waving at you and telling you that I'm ready to get started. Okay, so I started off by removing the griller away from where I was going to place the first planter, and I also moved the lawn chair out of the way so that I could place my griller there. After that I made room for my planters, I decided just to give my patio a good sweep. Okay, so here I come with the planters, and then I set them on each corner of the patio. Mind you, my husband is out and about cutting grass, but I just don't want any help. Is anybody like that, like me? I just like doing things for myself. The next thing that I did is add the hooks at the top of the pole where the string of lights would be resting. Okay, so now I was ready to start stringing up my lights, and I started off at the edge of the porch. Now what I'm doing here is I'm wrapping the cord around the hooks, and I'm just making sure that they will not fall off and that they are well secured. Okay, so here I'm in my last string, and I'm going to finish it up at the end of the porch. And here I just give it a lift, and just to make sure it doesn't hang too low.
It's so hot.
I was done already adding all the lights, but then at the last minute I decided to add another string of lights on the center top. I I also decided to add some fish line and wrap it around the light cord for extra security. And here I'm deciding where I'm gonna place them at, and here comes my husband, and I actually let him help me by bringing the ladder. And this is how my summer patio turned out. There's just something about outdoor lights that just makes it feel so tranquil and peaceful. Well, that is it for this project. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a blessed day. And remember, love, laugh, and create. Until my next video, bye-bye and God bless.